how to get, view and back up your secret phrase for Robinhood Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can view and back up your secret phrase on Robinhood Wallet. Well, if you have or if you are already logged into the wallet and you're wondering how you can view your secret phrase, here is how you can do so. I'll guide you quick through this video. First things first, open up your wallet. Here you need to be logged into your account, or else if you do not have your secret phrase, you won't be able to log into your account if you have removed it from your device or if you are logging into the new device. In my case, I've just simply entered in my biometrics and signed in. Now, in order to view the secret phrase, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen, and once here you can see the option there that says backups and security option. Simply tap on backups and security and you can see backups option, my wallet option, and down below you can see view recovery phrase. Tap on view recovery phrase and you can see you can tap on it and you'll be able to view the recovery phrase. Now the next thing you can do is you can either copy to clipboard the recovery phrase and save it, or you can save it to Google Drive separately. Now this is how you can view your recovery phrase for Robinhood Wallet. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.